Windy and stormy conditions continue across southeastern Australia on Sunday as a powerful cold front moves through. Conditions will ease as we head into Monday, but behind this there is another weather system developing across eastern parts of the country as we head into the new week. First, let's have a look at the current warning situation, and we do have a number of severe weather warnings for damaging winds, and these cover parts of Victoria, New South Wales and the ACT, as well as eastern Tasmania. For Western and Central Victoria, wind gusts around 100 km an hour will remain possible through the rest of Sunday, particularly through the afternoon, and that does include for the Melbourne and also Geelong areas. For alpine parts of Victoria and New South Wales, wind gusts could peak at up to 125 km an hour. As we head into Monday, damaging winds will start to develop across eastern parts of New South Wales and also eastern Tasmania. Conditions will gradually start to ease late on Sunday afternoon and into the evening across Victoria, but into Monday morning, damaging wind gusts are still possible across elevated areas, and for eastern New South Wales and eastern Tasmania, those wind gusts will only start to ease as we head into Monday afternoon. As well as damaging winds, we're also looking at the possibility of severe thunderstorms. We have already issued a number of severe thunderstorm warnings on Sunday, and this map gives you an idea of where we could see that continuing through the rest of today. Areas in green show where thunderstorms are possible. That includes all the way up from southwestern Queensland and down towards Tasmania. Areas in yellow show where severe thunderstorms are possible, and areas in red where severe thunderstorms are likely. We have already seen thunderstorms move through South Australia this morning, so that is really easing up through there. But severe thunderstorms do remain a possibility across Western New South Wales, Victoria, and northern parts of Tasmania. Damaging winds is the main risk, but we could see areas of large hail across Victoria, and through northern Tasmania, heavy rainfall leading to flash flooding will be the main risk through there. So if you're in these areas, what can you expect? With damaging winds, we could see damage to trees as well as property. We could see power lines being toppled over, and that could lead to disruptions to utilities such as electricity. And if you're out and about, we could see dangerous conditions for travelling and also driving. So keep an eye on those warnings as we head into the next 24 hours or so. And so having a look now at what's causing this, we see this cold front on the satellite moving through the Bight through Sunday morning. A lot of warm air ahead of that, leading to a lot of thick cloud across eastern parts of the country. And behind that, a little bit of cold air moving up from the Southern Ocean. We have already seen wind gusts of 90 to 100 km an hour, mainly through coastal and elevated parts of South Australia and also Victoria, including around the Melbourne metro area. So what can we expect for the rest of the day? Looking at the models here, we see that cold front continuing to push out towards the east as we head into Sunday afternoon, and we do see those very strong and damaging northerly winds continuing across a very broad area. Showers and rain areas will also increase, possibility of heavy falls as you can see across western and northern parts of Tasmania. As we head into Sunday night, we see those conditions gradually contracting out towards eastern areas, and we'll see a few showers developing across eastern parts of New South Wales, gradually easing up, but we do see very gusty westerly winds continuing across coastal parts as we head into Sunday night. And then into Monday morning, we'll see conditions continue to ease across much of southeastern Australia, but another cold front will approach from the south, but really only impact Tasmania as we head into Monday afternoon. To the second half of Monday, although conditions are easing across Victoria and New South Wales, further north we are tracking another weather system, and if we move a little bit further up, we can see into Monday afternoon, this trough here is dragging down a lot of tropical moisture from the north, and we will see cloud and areas of rain start to build through the day. This rain will become more extensive as we head into Tuesday, and we will see rain even pushing out towards the east coast as another low pressure system starts to move up towards South Australia. What you see here is a very dynamic situation, and this is just one computer model forecast scenario. So we will be providing updates for this weather system as we head into the coming days. But for the rest of Sunday, with the possibility of damaging winds and storms across a large area, it is important that you stay up to date with the latest information and warnings. You can get those on our website and our app. Follow us on social media, and as always, please stay safe.